Good morning dear students. In previous video we have seen theory part of Google Drive. Today we will see demo of Google Drive. So how to open Google Drive? You have to open any web browser. So I will use Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and in address bar write down google.com. After writing google.com, you have to click on this sign in button. So the first requirement to open or to access Google Drive is you must have Google account. If you don't have Google account, you cannot use Google Drive. So if you don't have Google account, create one Google account. So I will click on sign in. After sign in, you have to write your email address. Signing in, you will click on this Google App Launcher. This is Google App Launcher. This 9 squares. Click here. Click on Drive. Now this is my Google Drive. There are different folders here. All these are folders. These are files. Okay, so you can create folder or you can upload existing folder. You can create file, you can upload existing file. So two views are there. From here you can change. This is list view. To make it grid, click here grid view. Next one is now how to upload a file or folder. This is a new button. You will click on this new button. File upload is there, folder upload is there. Okay, so you will click on file upload. From your computer, select a file which you want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this file. I will click here and open. Now can you see this here? Uploading one item. So after uploading, message will appear here. Okay, so it is uploading. Now can you see? It is uploaded. Green tick means it is uploaded. And that file is here, class3.pdf. Next one is to upload a folder. Again click on new, folder upload, and select a folder which you want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this folder. I will select this folder. I will click on upload. My folder is here now. So how to upload folder, how to upload file? You have to click on new, file upload, folder upload. Next one is how to create a new folder. To create a new folder, you will click here on folder. You will give a name. So I will give a name as a demo. I will create. Can you see my new folder here? Demo. Okay, so the new folder is created now. Next one is after creating a folder, how you can create a file inside a folder. Just double click on the folder. That folder will open and just click on new and file upload. So open the folder, and if you want to upload the file inside a folder, open that folder and click on new. Now this file is in which folder? Demo folder. Okay, next one is how to move a file to a folder. Now this is my folder, demo folder. Now I want to move this class 3 file to my demo folder. You will just right click on this file. You will right click on this file. You will click on move to. After clicking on move to, from here you will click on the folder to which you want to move. I want to move it to demo. I will click on demo and I will click on move. Now inside demo folder, that file will come. So move to will move your file or folder from one location to another location. Next one is how to search a file. To search a file, you will click here in search box. Suppose I want to search a file name class 3. See, 2 files are there starting with class 3. Next one is if you want to see all the PDF files. So I will click on PDF. All the PDF files will come here. If I want to search for document file, I will click on document. So all the documents file will come here. So you can search by name or you can search by type. Next one is if you want to delete a file. Suppose I want to delete a file. What I will do? Suppose I want to delete this folder. If you want to delete folder files, same procedure you will use. You will right click on that file or folder and you will click on remove. Okay? Click on remove. That folder or file will be deleted. So in computer, when you delete a file, it comes to recycle bin. Here, whenever you delete anything, it will come to trash folder, this folder. So click on trash. See my demo folder is here. So if I want to restore this folder, that means I want to move this folder back to its original location, I will right click and restore. Delete forever will delete the folder from trash and restore will restore it back to my drive. So it is back now. Okay. Next one is after deleting, what you can do? You can create a duplicate file or a folder. How you will do? Whatever you want to do with file or folder, you will always right click. Okay. After right clicking, suppose this is the file which I want to duplicate. So right click on this file and you will use make a copy. Now see here copy of that English 2 chapter 4 question answers is here. Okay. So make a copy will create a duplicate. This is the original one, English 2 chapter 4 question answer, and copy of English 2 it is the duplicated. So make a copy will create a duplicate file or folder. Next one, how to rename a folder. To rename, again right click, rename option is there. Here give name to your file. So how to rename? Right click and rename. Look here, earlier the name was copy of chapter 4 question answer and now I have renamed it to Dhanushree. After that, now there is an option to share this file. How to share this file? First one is right click, click on share. Now I have typed email address. Now can you see here 3 options are there: viewer, commenter and editor. Once you have typed the email address here, these are the 3 authorization which you are giving to that particular person. Suppose I want to share one file with you. So what you can do with that file? These are the 3 options. 3 authorization options are there when you are sharing something. First one, viewer. Viewer means to whom you are sharing the file, that person can only see your file. Commenter means that person to whom you are sharing the file, that person can comment on your file. Editor means that person can view, comment and can make changes. So I will select commenter, okay, because I don't want anyone to make changes in my file, so I will just select comment and I will click on send. So this email address will get an email that this person has shared one file with you. I will send this. This is the first option. If you know that person's email address, you can use this option. Otherwise, you will right click and you will click on get shareable link. Now what is shareable link? So whatever test we send you, you click on some blue underlined text and then your test opens, right? So that blue underline link text is your link. So how to get that link? Whatever test we prepare, we prepare in this drive only, Google Drive, okay? So we will click on get shareable link, okay? Now here also there are options, okay? So here you will copy the link and you will paste this link, whether you want to share it on WhatsApp, whether you want to share it on any other personal SMS. What you will do, you will right click and you will click on get shareable link, copy this link and you will paste this link in WhatsApp or SMS, okay? So that person will just click on this link and this file will open. Next one, download. So if you want to use this file without internet, you will download this file. This file will be downloaded to your device, okay? So all these options you will get when you will right click. How to sign out? Click here, okay, and click on sign out so that no one else can use this account.